What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today in this video we're going to talk about 6 big tech stocks. But before we dive into this video, if you are new to this channel, consider subscribing, and if you like this kind of content, drop a like, comment below, and that really helps out with YouTube algorithm, and 50 plus likes on this video would be greatly appreciated, guys. And if you find my videos are helpful and you want to get more access with me throughout the day, get all my real-time buy and sell alerts, and also doing live trading in my Discord, check out my Patreon and then join the Discord. I'll leave a link down below in the description. And now let's dive right into Amazon, which is up 2.14% on the day. Basically, we saw a bit of a rally in the morning, but if you look at it, guys, everything faded after opening. SPY came back down, gave away $10, and Amazon here, after hitting 96.25, came back down all the way down to 90. So everything pretty much got wiped out, but at the end of the day, Amazon went back up, and now we're trading above 92, holding orange line, 13 SMA as the support. Going into tomorrow, watch this $92 support, and then 90 all the way down to 87. Above 92, we have resistance at 93.21, 95, and then all the way up here at 97, all the way up to 100. And now we're going to look at Microsoft. And if you look at this one, guys, we pretty much closed this gap all the way up here. Microsoft was up massively, $10, $11, all the way up to 264. And now it's trading under 260, but holding on to 255 as a support into closing. Now this thing can move, but if you look at my screen, upper Bollinger Band sitting at 257, and the stock went well above upper Bollinger Band. So this pullback is healthy, and now this thing here can hold 255, 256 as a support. We're going to see 260 again here on Microsoft, and possibly even 265. Now tomorrow there is going to be a big event, and that is the rate hike and FOMC meeting. Jerome Powell will come out and speak. We know that it's going to be 50 basis points, but anything else, it can change the direction in the market rapidly. So be prepared for that tomorrow. I'm expecting another big move in the market, and I said it before CPI, that I'm expecting $10 to $15 move here in the market, especially on SPY and Triple Q. And if you caught any one of those moves today, even if you caught puts and calls, this is exactly what I did. You made a ton of money in the market because calls went up like 400%, and then puts were down about 80%. So you still make a ton of money playing both sides safely in the market. So on Microsoft tomorrow, watch for the support at 255, 256, below that 250, and all the way down here at 246.85. If that gives up, we're coming all the way back down to 240. And now we're going to look at Meta, and just like I said yesterday, we could see 124 again here on the stock, and today 123.30 high for the day, and now we're trading above 120, and also we're holding, if you look at my screen right here, above 119 as a support into closing, where we got rejected before. So tomorrow this thing gapped up. Watch for the resistance at 124, and if we short it here, you made money here on Meta. This thing breaks 124, then we're going to see this gap fill at 128, but below 124, watch out for the support at 119, down to 117, red line 50 SMA, 114, and then 112, all the way down here at 106. Lower Bollinger Band will act as a support. And now we're going to look at Google. So Google stock also up 2.45% on the day after a massive 3-4 day sell-off, finally showing some strength, and now it's back up above 95. Now if you look at my screen, we have strong support at 95 and also at 94 now because of this blue line 5 SMA on this daily chart, and then 90 to 41 also as support here on Google. To the upside, just like I said yesterday, we could see 100, we got up to almost 100, and then got rejected, came back down, and now trading above 95. So tomorrow, guys, watch for 97.28 as a resistance here on Google, and then 100, above 100, more upside all the way up to 103, and then 105. Critical support to watch, 95, right here. 94, and then 92.41 lower Bollinger Band will act as a support. And now we're going to look at Apple. So Apple stock went back up to 150 again, and guess what happened? Rejected. It's still up on the day, 0.68% on the day. But if you look at it, guys, massive rejection here on Apple stock at 150, and now we're trading above 145. Also, Apple stock did not hold 146.65 as a support, white line 20 SMA. So it's not looking that great going into tomorrow. And also look at this. Intraday, low for the day, 144.24, and then finally got above 145. Tomorrow, guys, 145, big support, and then 143, blue line 5 SMA. If that gives up, we're coming back down to 140, and then watch out for the gap fill at 138. To the upside, Apple will have more upside. If we can break 150, we're going to see 152 to even 155 here on Apple stock. And now we're going to look at Tesla. And this thing getting decimated, guys. I added more shares today into my long-term account. Got another 100 shares of Tesla today. And now in total, I got 600 shares. And I'm looking to add even more. And this is not going to be as sell out here on Tesla if I get a move back up to 200 anytime soon. That's not what I'm planning. I'm planning to add even more down to maybe 150 or under 150 if that happens. But if you look at it, I said it last night that Tesla, and even before in my videos, we could be coming down to this red line 50 SMA on this monthly chart, which is sitting right around 157, and exactly at 156.91 we held a support, went back up, and now we're trading at 160, still down on the day 4% here on Tesla, $6.87. Now Tesla is in deep bear market, so if you're buying shares of Tesla and looking to flip the next day, I don't think it's a good idea. I'm going to hold on to it, and next year we could see more drop here on Tesla, and that's why you gotta hold on to your long-term positions on a stock like Tesla. And I said that last night also that we could see 160 and possibly even lower down to that 50-day moving period on that monthly chart. And now we're trading above that monthly chart 50-day moving period. So Tesla here, guys, if you can survive next year with Tesla shares, by 2024, I'm expecting Tesla to be up there around 700-800. And who knows, guys, nothing is impossible here on Tesla. We could possibly see 1200 again, but it's not going to happen overnight, especially now that it's sitting at 160. But it's going to happen. And if you look at one thing, why Tesla is down, I do not need any flows to tell me who's selling and who's not. It's end of the year. A lot of institutions are selling some stocks. And look at this high volume selling here on Tesla. Only person I can guess who's selling, that would be Elon Musk. And that's why we're down on the day with a massive sell volume today right here. You can look at it. I mean, look at right here. We haven't seen these kind of volumes here on Tesla before. We're selling off on a high volume here on Tesla. So somebody's getting out, and that could be Elon Musk, definitely. Now going into tomorrow, what is happening here on Tesla? If you look at my screen, we're actually getting extremely oversold, sitting and coming below lower Bollinger Band on this daily chart. So we could see a dead cat bounce, and where this dead cat can go if there is a bounce here on Tesla, we could possibly see 170, blue line 5 SMA, 166, 170. I think even 180 is possible if the rally continues tomorrow. Jerome Powell comes out and does not mess up that party that is going on right now in the market. We could see the market going up, and in that case, Tesla is getting extremely oversold. Tesla can jump all the way up to 170 to even 180. And then if you want to short, you can short right here. Even today, guys, the whole market was up. Everything was flying. But Tesla here, we opened at 175, 174, and that was it. This thing went down rapidly on a high volume selling today, and now down to a new 52-week low, 156.91. So Tesla, if you're long term, just like myself, definitely, guys, a great deal, but you got to hold on to it at least 2 to 3 years. And if you can commit to that, Tesla is a buy. So thank you so much for watching. Watch those levels going into tomorrow here on Tesla, and I'll definitely keep you guys updated here on 6 Big Tech Stocks.